If you're an overpacker, wait until you see how much this backpack can compress. This is the Fanwally 3-in-1 travel backpack that functions as a carry-on, work bag, and gym bag. The approximate dimensions are 19.7 by 11.8 by 7.1 inches, and it has a 30-liter capacity. Check out this built-in electric pump and vacuum button. There's no separate bulky pump needed. Okay, that's super impressive. That just gave me so much more space. I really need that extra space because now I have to add in my bag of dirty laundry and my shoes to the bag, and I will show you how everything fits together nicely. There's also wet dry compartments for separate damp clothing, toiletries, or your gym items. I like that dedicated shoe compartment is away from my clean clothing. There are additional zippered pockets for chargers, travel documents, and small necessities. This is great for weekend trips, work, the gym, or carry-on travel. Here's another great feature that I like. It has a padded compartment designed to fit a laptop up to 17 inches. My laptop is safe right here. It has nothing that could bump into it. It's got its own little separate compartment, and it even closes nice and tight. The straps are all easy to find and are all adjustable. There's even padding on the backpack straps, which I love because if I'm walking through the airport for a great deal of distance, it doesn't bother my back. I also like that it has an adjustable strap that you could use as a crossbody. It has an area here for a really tall water bottle. Let me show you how it fits in there nicely. And also this bag is water resistant, so if a little water splashes, it's no big deal. This is a must for me with the strap, with the backpack, so it stays on safe and secure and I'm not fidgeting around with the straps. And I also love this crossbody feel as well. So now that I've used this bag on a couple of trips, I've realized that I do recommend it, and it's nice and easy to keep clean. The design is awesome. It's very functional. I love how many zippers there are with pockets and how many ways you can carry this bag. Shop this product. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments.